What's up, guys? Finally back, this time with a computer video. I'm kind of starting to go into kind of like a tech tuber kind of thing. This isn't about my build though. I'm building my cousin in the Bay Area a gaming rig, but like a budget one, because I'm using the old parts that I upgraded from and some parts that I bought for him that he paid me to get. Okay, so I'll do like an overview of my rig in another video. So anyways, right now what we have, all the info's on my phone, which is recording, so I can't really use that. But I don't know what speed, but this is 2 sticks, 4 gig. It's 8 gig kit, 4 gigs each stick of Crucial Ballistic Sport DDR3. I don't know if the speed is on here, but you know, probably not too high, probably in like the 2100 arena. Let's see if I can actually be for sure here. $1600 actually. So 1600 as a speed. Got 2 sticks of 4 for 8 gigs total. That's the RAM we're using. This is just a random backplate and some screws that I'm not going to use. And then this, I just have my processor in the motherboard already because I didn't want to mess with taking it out and then putting it back in. This is my old motherboard. It's a, I'm pretty sure, oh, it's the Asus M5A78L M/USB 3. It looks pretty good to me. It's got 4 DIMM slots. You know, all the standard shit. Yeah, 6 SATAs. They're all SATA 3. Nothing too special. That's what we're using. I kind of want to put this back in the bag because we're not doing that part yet. Actually, I might as well put the RAM in, right? So we'll just put the RAM into these slots. Real easy. My Xbox just turned on. Okay. Okay, so RAM is in now. Should they be like that? I don't really mind. Maybe I'll just put cause I don't have a cooler for this. So now, oh, I can put my Ryzen cooler. So it's gonna have like a Ryzen on the processor, but it's just it's an AMD FX 6300. But we still need a cooler, so we'll just use that. Unless we can fit the 280 rad into this case, which I doubt we will. But yeah, so let's set this aside because this is for later. I don't want to put it in with the RAM. I'll just put it in this box for now. So now that I've showed you the core components, the platform, let's get to actually unboxing what we got for them. Oh, we're also using this is my old power supply. This is the EVGA 500 watt. It's not modular or anything. It's the same one that was installed when I first built that system, my old system. So let's unbox the shit that we got for him. We have this, which was on sale at Micro Center for 60 bucks. It's a 2 terabyte 3.5 inch drive. You know, mechanical drive, which is pretty cool. Let's just slip that back in the bag though. So it's got 2 terabytes of storage. Come on, man, why make this hard for me? Okay, the side, we got him 1050 Ti, because this one was 160, so we looked really good on that. And let's take a look. Let's unbox it. It's one of the only things that we have to unbox because, I mean, the drive just came in a bag and I just unbagged it. So there we go, unbagging. Let's get that out of there. Nah. Okay, this is the Zotac. I'm pretty sure it's like a small form factor. Like, it's a shorter card for sure, but it's $10 cheaper than the 2-fan version. I doubt there's much of a difference. I asked the guys there. They said, you know, you'll be fine. Like, there's not a noticeable difference between like 2-fan and 1-fan. I'll take their word for it. All right, we got some nice egg carton looking packaging, and then this bubble wrapped bag. Ooh, this is the card we're looking at right here. This is pretty cool. That's what the cooler looks like. You know, pretty basic, but it's a 1050 Ti. You know, can't judge a book by its cover. Can't judge a GPU by its casings. Looks like a pretty big heat sink, and then a single fan. Doesn't look like anything special. It's got one HDMI, one display port, and one DVI, which is pretty much all you need. So yeah, we've unboxed everything. It all looks pretty good. Now we're ready to start the build. I don't know if I'm gonna edit this video. It's just gonna be really long. Actually, you know, let's just like montage it. Like, not montage, like, you know, fast forward to the building part of it, and I'll slow it down. Like, can you do that in Windows Movie Maker? Probably not. Okay. Well, now let's get to the case. Where's my knife? Okay. Versa H22 Plus from Thermaltake. Great looking budget case. How are we gonna get this out? With our fingers and our knee. Come on, man. Why you gotta do this? Alright, let's flip it and then just let it slide out. Why isn't it coming out now? Whew. You're kidding me, man. You gotta be kidding me. Well, it's out a little bit more than before. All case boxes are basically like this, and it sucks. We're getting there, though. Alright, the box is out. I'm going to use that to build on later. This is a nice looking case so far. Through the plastic and the styrofoam, I can tell. Okay, let's get that box back over here. Flip it so I can build on it. Okay, so here it is out of the plastic. Looking nice. This is what we're looking at right here. So, kind of hard to tell, but it's all front, all steel mesh front. We've got 3 places, 3 bays for like optical drives and card readers. You got a power button, feels nice, a reset button, a mic, headphone jack, USB, and a USB 3 port. Just pretty cool. Nice Thermaltake logo in the front, right there. Some shiny plastic parts for aesthetic. But let's check the inside of it. It's got, you know, this is a pretty cheap case. It's expected, just some thumb screws. And let's put that in on the floor. Okay, so this is looking real nice so far. Let's show you guys here. So it's all black. They painted the interior all black. The cables are pretty much all black for the most part, minus the rainbow shit. I don't know if you can see that. Okay guys, I'm gonna start building inside the case. That's pretty ghetto. I just have 2 boxes basically as my table, but you know, it'll do. And let's see how that looks in the camera. That looks fine. Okay, so we're gonna start building, and I'll probably like speed it up, maybe put some cool royalty-free music and whatnot, and see you guys when it's all done. Alright, I just put the motherboard in, and it's got the processor in there already, FX 6300. I took the 2 fans on the top because they kind of blocked me, and we're putting new fans in anyway, so I figured why not just do it now. So those are the main components installed. I'm going to slide in the power supply, and hook some stuff up, and we'll see where we go from there. Okay guys, quick thing, what time is this? Quick thing, I don't have a stock cooler, and this Ryzen stock cooler, the Wraith, is not compatible. The screws are just a little short of it, and I don't really have the proper standoff things. So I'm gonna go buy a Hyper 212 Evo or something cheap as an air cooler for this rig, and I'll have to install that one after a while. In the meantime, I feel like I should put some screws on there just to keep it in place. I did film a lot of building, but camera angles kind of sucked. So I'll show you guys where I'm at. I've got the power supply almost screwed in. Motherboard, processor, and RAM are mounted to the case. I have just these little screws here. Just taking up space, just keeping the back plate on so I can get an air cooler for tomorrow. I found out that the Ryzen cooler, the Wraith, doesn't fit on the AM3 Plus boards with the AM3 Plus processors. So I'll have to go buy something compatible tomorrow. It's not gonna be that expensive, so it's gonna be pretty cool. And besides that, yeah, this is what it looks like right now. Yeah, I'll try to find another camera angle to work with so it can be seen. These are all, I'm thinking about the airflow in this kit because it has one fan in the front, two on top, one in the back. So I'm thinking maybe it should be intake, exhaust, exhaust. So I'll make the front ones intake. No, the top one's intake. Okay, so this is as far as we're gonna get in this video, guys. I was able to install the power supply, my intake fans, my hard drive, all the platform components, so RAM, CPU, motherboard, my GPU, everything's all plugged in and ready to go. Let's do a quick trial run, see if I get the fan spinning and the LED lighting up. Alright, here we go. Hey, except for this one, but these two fans are spinning. I can feel the intake. Alright, so everything's basically working. I don't have the LED for the hard drive thing. I thought I need to play with that a little bit more. Or not, or maybe it won't matter. So anyways, we got it running. Yeah, running. Tomorrow I don't have work, so tomorrow I'll be going to Micro Center. I'll pick up the air cooler. I'll pick up some, I think this is called PWM, but I'm not sure. Some of that power shit that I don't have. So I can power the rest of the fans. Yep. See you guys in the next one.